Hey everyone, Automation Doctor here. I apologize, I caught some sort of a cold or virus or allergies or I don't know, but it has been a rough week for me. But I thought I'd go ahead and toss something out, so welcome to Chaos and Controls, the show where we talk about modern devices, technologies, and techniques for automating your home, business, or life. Today, I thought we could go ahead and continue our discussion a little bit on tying things high and what that actually means, and going back to some of the discussion about why I laugh at some of the security guys talking about, oh, well, we've got no wires to cut in this system. So imagine, if you will, that I've got some sort of an actuator sensor switch in the field. It could be a motion sensor, a door sensor, a window, what have you. And on actuation, it will close the circuit and send a signal back to my brain box. And when my brain box gets a positive signal, it says, hey, we've got an alert from whatever this item is. If we extrapolate on that a little bit, you can imagine that if somebody comes up and in that scenario they cut the wire going to the brain box, well then yeah, when we actuate on that, we're not going to get a signal to the brain box, and now somebody has effectively bypassed. And this is what a lot of the folks who talk about, you don't want wires to cut, that's bad. This is what they're hoping you're thinking the system looks like. If we take a step back a little bit and set this up just a little bit differently, using a concept that I'll refer to often as tying a system high, if I put a relay in the middle between my field device and my brain box, there's lots of ways that you could pull something similar to this off. But imagine that I've got this relay sitting out here, and my brain box is going to alert if I see conductivity from the plus and minus going through that relay. No reason I can't do that. Now, I'm going to have my sensor on a normally closed contact, and on actuation, the sensor will open. As a result, we will no longer have voltage going across the coil, so the relay is going to snap back to the other side. And now I have conductivity going through, and the brain box gets the alert. It says, hey, I've got conductivity through there. We must have actuated the field device. Excellent. But in this scenario, what we gain is in that same system, now if somebody comes in and they cut my wire, well, it looks functionally identical to setting off the sensor in the first place. I still have no coil voltage, my spring snaps back, and the brain box, near as it can tell, hey, that same device just went off. And so now you've got somebody trying to bypass by cutting through the wires, and all they've really done instead is given you more time to see that, hey, something just happened to that circuit, I should go investigate. Anyway, that's about all I have for you today. You all have a good one. Hopefully I feel better soon. We will catch you next time.